In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in Canva step by step. If you've ever tried building a planner from scratch, you already know it can get messy fast. Lining up boxes, keeping spacing consistent, and making sure everything looks polished for printing can take a lot more time than expected. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier. With the right setup, you can create a clean, professional planner without needing advanced design software. The first thing you want to do is start with the correct page size. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Before entering your dimensions, switch the unit from pixels to inches. This is important because planners are usually designed for print, and using physical measurements helps keep your layout accurate. You can enter a size like 8.5 by 11 inches for a standard letter planner, or 6 by 9 inches for a smaller journal style format. Then click Create New Design to open your canvas. Once your blank page is open, the next step is to turn on your visual guides. Go to the File menu, open View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. These guides act like a safety zone for your design. They help you keep text and writing areas away from the edges, which is especially useful if your planner will be printed and bound. Now it's time to build the actual planner layout. On the left side, click Elements. Instead of drawing every section manually, use the search bar to look for terms like planner, tracker, or habit grid. This can save a lot of time. Drag a table or shape-based layout onto your page and place it within your margins. From the top toolbar, adjust the line thickness to something light and clean, such as 1 or 2, and choose soft neutral colors for a neat readable look. Then click into the text areas and add section titles like hourly schedule, top priorities, or water intake. After you finish your first page, you can quickly turn it into a full planner. Click the grid view icon near the bottom of the workspace to see all pages in a thumbnail layout. Select your first page and use the duplicate option, or press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac to create as many matching pages as you need. When everything looks right, do a final review to make sure nothing crosses the margins or gets too close to the edges. Then click Share, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. For best print results, enable crop marks and bleed, then click Download, and that's it. You now have a print-ready planner created entirely in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.